We are Haigh & Sons, independent estate agents based in Westbury Park. Welcome to our website. From our office in North View, close to Bristol's famous Durdham Downs, we successfully cover all of northwest Bristol and many surrounding areas. As the Haigh family has been selling property in Bristol since the late 1970s, we have the know-how to help your move go smoothly from start to finish. In 2008, we launched a professional lettings and management service. Its success meant that less than a year later, we needed to move into a larger office. We maintain that personal service and honest advice are the keys to our success, not hard-sell bully boy tactics. Maybe this is why we are so often recommended by lawyers. Our membership of the Guild of Professional Estate Agents and our associated office in Park Lane, London, ensure that we bridge the gap between being local and having national coverage. Our dedication to professionalism meant that we were one of the first agents to be awarded a license by the National Association of Estate Agents. We always tailor our service to best suit the property, using floor plans, internal photographs, and even aerial views where appropriate. And we're always open to new ideas. We're so confident of the service we offer, we don't insist on a minimum sole agency period. Our vendors know that we'll be working hard for them from day one through to completion. Above all, we never forget who is important: the vendor, the buyer, the landlord, and the tenant. We're not so much selling or renting property. We are moving people.